GM, just give me a few minutes here. What up, GM everybody? Desktop music way down for this one. Am I like super laggy right now? I feel like I'm super laggy. GM. Yeah, I'm super laggy. Okay. I think I gotta restart the stream. I gotta fix some settings. Sorry. See you in a minute. Did I fix it? GM. Oh, no, that's not what I want. GM. Turn down the resolution a little bit, change the FPS. Did I ruin it? Do I sound ridiculous now? Do I look ridiculous? Is this better? Is the quality terrible? Am I unwatchable? In 48 FPS? Better? Perfecto? Good? Okay. At 48 FPS. So for those of you who can see, you know, faster than a normal human being, I guess I won't be in high quality. What up, everybody? GM. I'm only gonna be streaming for like 3 hours because I got some stuff to do later today, but doing a little bit of work today. Figured I'd throw on the camera, answer some questions, show you guys how I'm doing some stuff. I guess I'll post on people post on Twitter that they're going live? Is that like the strat? I don't know. Yeah, I won't post. F it. Only stream on YouTube. Pretty much. Like sometimes I'll stream on Twitter. But like I don't know. Like it's super annoying to do like the restreaming services that like stream both places. What up? Oh, hell yeah. Fitness, let's go. Now we're talking. Y'all been to the gym today? Well, you should. You should go to the gym. Go to the gym every day. Let me explain what we're going to be doing today. Today, we're going to be doing one thing, and if we have time, two things. We can help. Hey, thanks, dog. Appreciate it. I'm in the middle of a cut right now. Yeah, I just crossed the threshold. My fat threshold. When I weigh 225. Anytime I weigh more than 225, I'm fat. 225 pounds. I don't know what that is in grams. Foundry Cypher NFT. What is the name of this thing? Enter my crappy password here. This is my test MetaMask. Sure, whatever. Okay. Foundry full course? What the hell did we call it? Foundry full course. What is my internet, bro? Huh. NFTs, bonus NFTs. ZKsync, this is what we want. We want you, element, NFT, good place. So here's what we're gonna be doing. So throughout the past few years, as a fun little Easter egg for people, we have deployed. Oh, what the heck? Hello? Undercourse NFT. What is going on? Oh no, not Ethereum. That's why. ZKsync. There we go. There we go. We've deployed these fun little NFTs. Let people basically solve some challenges to get them. The newest ones are on ZKsync. Some of the older ones were on Arbitrum. Hey, thanks. Kudo. Appreciate it, dog. And here they are on YouTube here. Or YouTube, lol. Here they are on Element NFT Marketplace. And what I want to do is, since Cypher Updraft just released certifications, which is super fun, what I want to do is I kind of want to be like, hey, anybody who minted all 15 of these Cypher Founding Course NFTs, gonna give you a bunch of money so that you can go take the cert as a thank you for minting these NFTs. These were NFTs where like people bridged real money. I mean, they didn't cost anything, but you obviously had to pay gas fees to actually mint these. Some people actually minted them. And so what I want to do is I want to find all people who minted all 15 of these on ZKsync, on Arbitrum, and then additionally, like 3 years ago, when I launched like the hard hat edition of this course, I also minted some fun bonus NFTs, and I want to find all the addresses of the people who minted at least all 5 of those. Won't give them, you know, as much money because the founder course is harder and longer. But basically, yeah, give them some money so that if they want to go take the cert, they go take the cert. I just got to go find who these people are. What's up, Allie? Welcome to the stream. I am going to post this on, on Twitter. Why not, right? Like, going live now to find all the NFT minters. And we're not going to talk about what is going on in the United States as much as possible. So that's what we're doing today. And I'm going to be using a little bit of Dune to do this. LinkedIn post, go to the gym. Give me the last extra push. I need to hit the gym. Hell yeah. Old man, it's X. All right. Cool. Whatever. Old man. Roasted. Come on. Like, let me... Don't do me like that. Okay, I guess before we start, like, ripping through stuff and I shut up, yo, I'm the last NFT minter. Hell yeah, Alex. Oh, wait, Alex, were you the ZKsync minter? For the, oh, shit. Actually, good shout. I was supposed to grab a password before I started the stream here. Oh, no, I don't think I can get it now because... Yeah, I can't get it now because I am on my streaming user, which doesn't have access to any of my other stuff. Sad face. All right, well, I guess after this stream, for those of you who are listening right now, after the stream on Twitter, I'll post a little password. Actually, no, screw that. In the comments of this video, huh? That way only you here watching right now will be able to see. After I close the stream, in the comments of this video, I will post the password to the next ZKsync sync, the best NFT project ever. You know what? I don't even know. Let's how much money is, because I deployed these like a few months ago and I don't know how much money's in them now. ZKsync syncs. All right, so it's gonna be whoever's fastest here. That is not what I wanted. ZKsync syncs. ZKsync syncs. There we go. There they are. So this is this NFT project. What address is this on? Transaction hash. So it's typically value here. Oh no, what? It's just a regular transfer. Add challenge transfers. Contract. What the hell? Why can I not read this? Oh, because it's the challenge contract that has it. Okay, so we're looking for this. Okay, so they yeah, so it's around $50. Each one of them has around 50. If you guys can see that, each one of these has around $50 of ETH in it for all of my YouTube videos that I'm posting until I run out of syncs. I'm gonna be releasing a password. I wasn't considering doing it for live videos, but since Alex showed up, I guess we're gonna do that now. So congratulations everybody for watching my stream, and be sure to watch all of my streams and all the videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest of what's going on in the Web3 world. And you can get one of these. It's so stupid. One of these amazing syncs. And unlike on other NFT projects, these have zero market value, and they're just meant to be a fun thing for you to get rewarded for learning and spending time. And yeah, I try my best to not grift anybody. Okay, that is a non-goal of your boy Patrick. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find all these people who minted not these syncs, not those syncs, but the Foundry. What did I call it? Updraft? Siphon Updraft? Did I call it Siphon Updraft? Yes. Okay. These are the security ones. NFTs like this. So these are the security ones. I actually don't want these ones. I want the Foundry Updraft, Siphon Updraft. Why? What did I call it? Foundry on Arbitrum. Foundry Siphon Updraft. Patrick? Foundry. Patrick Siphon. Okay, let's look up. There's an NFT user. It's called like Updraft NFTs. Okay, I'm not signed into Twitter here. But let me see if Updraft NFTs. So this is the bot. It's garbage. Like, just let me freaking To me, this seems like a terrible business decision from X. Like, am I crazy? Like, why would you not let me see the tweets? Jesus, senior grifter, lol. Hey, nomadic bear. Hey, thank you for joining the stream. GM, everyone who just joined in. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is what we just called them, Foundry Course NFT. Okay, so this is, yes. Okay, this is what we want. Okay. You know, I'm gonna start the timer, and we're gonna jump into it. Kind of a laid back Sunday, figuring out how we can get some money to all the people who have been doing fun stuff with ciphering and learning and making themselves better. GM, welcome. And I'm gonna turn the brightness of these lights down because they're kind of killing me. So, okay. Have you heard about virtuals? I sure have heard about virtuals. I haven't done anything with virtuals yet, though. Oh, lol. I own this one. Details. Okay, so here is the address. Okay, what we want to do, so Foundry Course NFT, Arbitrum, address. We want to find all users who minted at least 15 of the NFTs. And then also we want to find their address, and if they put their Twitter in, we want to find their Twitter as well. Can you guys hear the music? Is the music too loud? Is it too soft? Let me know if it's good, bad, annoying, what you think. So I think what I want to find though is, so solve challenge is what I want to find, I believe. Music is okay, music just right. Okay, dope. And I wrote all these contracts and I totally forgot. I totally forgot what I named it. Okay, challenge solved. Okay, so we're looking for these challenge solved, receiver, message sender. Okay, so we're gonna, this is what we want. And I'm gonna be using Claude to help me do this, because I'm an idiot. Okay, so we're going to be looking on, let's just do raw blockchain data. Oh wait, maybe I'm a decoded project now. Decoded projects? Foundry course NFT. Okay, sick. Okay. Foundry course NFT. We want to find challenge solved. Challenge solved. Okay, select star from. Is this my query? Limit 10. This can't be my query. Contract address event tx hash. That doesn't make any sense. It's telling me there's 2. This event has been. That doesn't make any sense. It's only been solved twice. 78 rows. Oh. Oh, sick. Okay, wait, that's the whole. Okay, great. That's pretty much what I want then, right? Okay, let's ask Claude now. Here is my query. This gives me a list of challenge solved events. And then in here, I want the Twitter handler and the solver. Can you give me a, can you adjust my query so that, or actually let me tell it what it returns here. Contract address of NTX, blah, blah, okay. Sorry, I'm not showing you guys Claude. It returns columns, returns the following columns. I can't believe you guys roasted me for calling it Twitter. Can you give me a list of queries so that we only see solvers, see addresses of solvers who have solved at least 15 NFTs. Okay. This is the beauty of AI. I don't have to be good at SQL. I'm just going to blindly copy paste and then ship it. No results. Select solver, count star as challenge solved from founding blah, blah, blah. Group by solver having count greater than 15. I think that this is wrong. What up? Welcome to the stream. Any chance for Viper content? Love courses already. Yes. One of my things I got to do later, probably next week, is working on a little blockchain game. I'm gonna make a front end for it, and that's gonna be in Viper. I minted all 15 on Sepolia. Please include those for those who minted there. Sorry, buddy. Only those who spent the dough. Okay, so that didn't work. I got nothing. Helen Claude, I got nothing. If they got nothing, that means no solver. Claude, I think you're wrong here, buddy. Okay, so this limit 10. Contract address. Can you count the number of times you see solver? What was their original query? Select solver, count star as challenge solved. Count star. This should work. Maybe it's only 10 or something. Greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so now I have way more. Count. Maybe I should just have it like. Maybe it's not 10. Maybe it's only 13 or something. I could have sworn I made 15 challenges, right? Because we go to 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 3 16. Did I not make a bonus? Did I not make a bonus for everybody? Did it for every advanced founders section 9 NFT ZKsync Sepolia? Yeah, maybe it's fewer than. What about 14? Under 69 rows. Okay. Let's do this. But just give me the solver address, Twitter handle, number of solves. And what about full stack? Can you paste query here? This one? The one that I'm... Yeah, sure. Oh, I can't. It's too long. What about full stack? We are going to do some full stack curriculum as well. Not a lot, though, because that's like a whole can of worms. You know, we do smart contracts at Cypher. Okay, so it says 14 people, and they all did 14? Guys, I'm pretty sure I did... Pretty sure I did more. I could have sworn I did 15. Maybe I only did 14 on Arbitrum. Because Arbitrum was like... Was it only 14? Shit. What the heck? What do I do with the at? New line, do at, right? Okay, so here are your... They all did 14. Why are there only 14? This is the security course, so that's a different one. I want this one. GM. Going well. Would there be any upcoming live streaming sessions for smart contract audits? Maybe. I don't know. Right, so if I do balance of this person, it should be 14. It's 15. Because that's right, because one of the challenges was like funky. So okay, no, this makes sense. Okay, so we need to adjust the query. Yeah. Okay, so it's not because the challenge. Okay. So let's do. Can you do it so that now we just get how many people have at least own at least 15 NFTs. I think we can look for the transfer events. Just go to NFT editor and click on holders. Oh, that's a much smarter way. NFT token tracker. Yeah, holders. Good shout. Bada bing. Okay, are these whoa. Are these the same people? But see, I'd have to go into them. Actually, it's still easier to do on Dune because I want to get the Twitter handles as well. And if I go to them, I'd have to go. Oh, I guess they have the self challenges right here. I'm still gonna do it through Dune because I want to get the. What the heck is this? All right, this is what Claude gave me. Let's see. Oh, lol. What a bizarre freaking bizarre prompt Claude gave me. Holders with 15 plus. Well. So okay, so there's only 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, lol, they're freaking numbered. 15. Okay, I'm missing one address. Which address am I? Got that one. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the one I'm missing? 6? Wait, 6? Was it 5? Okay, 7. 7. Okay, this is the one I'm missing. Just number 7. So, Dune will be better at parsing them. LOL at AI. Yeah, I mean, doesn't get them all right. Oh, cool. But they called solve challenge, and let's see what they passed in for their Twitter handle. Decode. Wait, I have this person. What the heck? Oh, it's because... Oh, it's because I broke this. Because that's not an address, and this is the actual address. Whoops. Yeah, okay. My bad. Okay, so we have 7 then. Let's go back. Okay, keep going. 8. 9. 10. 11. No 11. Okay. 11. Solve challenge. Maybe they didn't put in a Twitter handle, and that's probably why. Oops. No. What is it? Original? No. Default view? Code input data. There we go. We have this person. Oh. What? Did I screw up this address too? Yeah, I sure did. How did I screw up these addresses? It's just like I just like cut off 2. Okay, so I have 11. Okay, well, I have to double check these. Okay, so what? Did I screw this one up too? Oh, because I did some stupid find and replace. Fuck, that's why. Okay, I think I legitimately don't have this one. CBFF. What the? Bulk transfer. What the hell? Interacted with this address. Transfer helper. What is this? This person just bulk transferring Foundry NFTs? From you to you. NFTs. But like, why would you? These NFTs have no value. Like, why would you? Oh no, they could have been like bringing it to their new address. I could see that. Yeah, they could have been sending it to like a new address. Okay, so I think it's just these 14 then. Talking about. Okay, you know what? Let's run this Dune query again. Okay, so here are all the addresses. Because I think I probably just like, so this one's, yeah, this one's small. And I think it should be this, right? Yeah, so I cut it off with my stupid find replaces. Boot screen. Yeah, I mean, that looks good now. Polar 0. Nice, okay. I think the rest of these are good. Okay. So a lot of these addresses are inactive. But I have the Twitter queries. I have the Twitter users here, so I'm happy. Cool. All right, next. So I'm going to DM all these people. Just be like, oh, that's going to be so many DMs. That's going to kind of suck, but it's fine. I'll do my best. If they don't answer in like a week, I'll just send it. I'll just send them the money, but hopefully they give me a valid address. Second to last address? I fixed that one. Yeah. Good job. Okay, so that's the Foundry one. Security one, we're not going to do because this is the Solidity cert. Now we want to do we want to find the ZKsync ones. Cypher, Foundry. Here we go. Okay, so I think this one's not going to be Dune. How do I do new query? Oh, I'm already at new query. Oh, okay. So let's do data explorer, raw data. Let's do ZKsync. This one actually might be easier. Yeah, you know, maybe let's just do that strat. ZKsync explorer, because there's fewer people who've minted these. Transactions 20, right? Like contracts, transactions, events, challenge solved. Yeah, well, there's actually gonna be a lot of those. Let's do Dune. Okay. Can you do more hack analysis vids? You know, the last hack, so like I did the Moby hack analysis, and I've done a couple in the past, but like nobody, they don't do very well, and it's like hard for me to like, because like, so like I read rec.news, I read every rec.news post, I read a lot of like security newsletters, and like it's fun for me to kind of go through, but I often like only the like last year, like the Radiant capital hack, for example, like $50 million hack, that was like a super interesting hack because it kind of exposed this issue where like most people don't know how to, you know, verify multi-sig signatures with their hardware wallets. And so like that's something that like, you know, we talked about, I'm going to be making more content out very soon. I should have made it before, but most of them are like not interesting. So like the Moby hack, for example, that I did hack analysis on, it's super boring. Like there's almost no learning from it. Like, what was the issue? The issue was they exposed their private key and they had a 1 of 1, you know, and they had a single EOA for their ownable like contract. Like it's just like it's like not interesting. You know what I mean? Like what's the hack analysis there is that it's super boring. They upgraded the contract because they got access to the private key, you know? Junian is, yeah, that guy makes some really cool stuff. Yeah, definitely. This Dune dashboard is tight. Did they update? Oh, I don't know. But I think it's just the dark mode, man. Like that's what's up. Okay, logs. What am I looking for? I'm looking for challenge solved. So it's gonna be this, right? What? Did these have? Oh, it's gonna be this one. Excuse me. Challenge solved. Okay, so I'm looking for this topic. So topic 0. Okay, so what is it? Select star from, was it ZKsync.logs.topic 0? Emit 10. Select star from ZK. Where is this right? Where topic 0 equals this? This can't be right. deltaprod.zksync.log. Loving the Viper course? Hell yeah. Love to hear that. Oh shit. Is that what it is? ZKsync.logs. Run. Nice. Okay. Cool. Okay. ZKsync.logs. I want to get the solver. Oh, it's because it's freaking, I gotta decode it. Challenge solved. Challenge solved. Oh, because I have to decode this. Because this is the solver. Ugh. It's the solver. It's the Twitter handle and the this is too much. I'll just do where the from address is enough. Okay, let's just do block hash, contract, topic 0, topic 1, data. I have to decode the data. That's super. Transaction from. Okay. That's cloud. I have this query. I want to make a list where the TX from is counted at least 10 times. And you adjust my query as such. All right, here's the modified query. Let's try this. And then I guess I could just decode the, just decode everything myself. There's only 2 people? Why does this person have so many? Oh, Talak. Oh, we love Talak. Hell yeah. Why does Talak have 21? So he solved 21 times, but he only has 14. Okay, what about this person? No. Hello. Aha. ZKsync. Address. I forgot. And Talak. Talak. Oh, so he did these kind of recently. Can Devin write better contracts than Pinky swears? That's funny. Wow. I love that you just made that joke. Devin can help, but if you let Devin do everything, Devin's gonna do a terrible job. Devin can definitely help though. Cool. Okay, so I think these are all our winners. I think this is it. Well, congrats to everybody who minted at least 14 of these on either ZKsync or Arbitrum. Oh shit, the last one. Okay. Last one actually might be the hardest. Patrick. Hard hat. Yeah, this is why. Patrick Hardhat, free code camp, JavaScript. Course completed. You know what? I think we just look for the course completed people. 84 items. Wow, 84 people got this one, huh? I don't think I had people put in their Twitters for this one. I actually forget. This was 2 years ago. Wow. Mint NFT, your address. Yeah, I didn't have them put their Twitters in. So this would actually just be folders. That's it. Why does they have, why do they have 5? Okay, we're gonna export this. Does it include these guys? There's 82. Karen's birthday. I don't know what nonsense is about the show. Oh. Nothing. Okay, cool. So tell me how many. Okay, so this is all of them. Nice. Okay, so this will be the list of hard hat people. Wow. Who did the course completed NFT. I guess that's a much easier. Okay, well. stick this in here. Course completed. NFT. We're not going to give them as much money because they did the hard hat one. But these guys, I think we can give them all a free ride. So cool. I think that's it. Are there any other NFTs that I need to? No. So, because I only want to do the Foundry ones for the Foundry certs. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is the list. Cool. Well, they're all going to get a free, free $200 to take the Cypher certs. So congrats to them for going the extra mile. Hell yeah. Rocknet ETH. I know Allie. I know some of these people. Oh, that's dope. Do I know this person? I think I do. I think I recognize that handle. Of course, I can't go to X because I'm not signed in on that one. I think I do know some of these people. Oh, yo, this is one of my favorite. So you could see it for like half a second, but they have like the NFT dog. That way I can take a screenshot of their. I've seen this person from time to time. This is their Twitter profile. They have the little puppy NFT from the NFT course. I freaking love that. I think that's so cool. It's like getting more niche too, because the Foundry NFT GitHub. We still use the puppies, right? Yeah, we still use the puppies, but it's like getting more and more niche. Oh, I forgot. I changed the smile NFT, I think, too. Sad. I think I changed it to. No, I didn't change it here. Oh, I changed it in the Viper course. That's right. One of the first videos I watched while I was learning blockchain. Hell yeah. Is there any substantial profit from the YouTube audience that can be transferred to NFT? Something like PancakeSwap, if I'm remembering right. What are you asking? What do you mean potential profit that can be transferred to NFT? Profit from the YouTube audience that can be transferred to NFT. I mean, I could like tokenize my YouTube revenue, but like, ain't nobody making any money from that. I make like $200 a month, like on a good month from YouTube. You don't make, you know, very niche videos like what I do, smart contract videos. Like I don't make any freaking money from YouTube. Love your SSCD course. Oh, thanks, Mohammed. I am from Pakistan. Oh, great. I recently graduated, but I'm feeling stuck as there are no jobs for freshers. Any advice? Yes. Two things. Number one, if you want to become a developer, go to hackathons, bolster out your resume. That's what you want to do. Full stop. Yes, these are from the Advanced Foundry course. Sorry, you missed the cutoff, friend. To Advanced Foundry. Yep. Sorry, you missed the cutoff for the free cert. But you can still mint these. It's still fun. Like these are still cool. Yeah, I like doing random stuff for the community. I think like 4 years ago I made this super stupid DAO I made like a DAO where people could vote on like pixels of a tattoo that I got, and I actually have the tattoo. It's like right below my butt. And I think like 7 people bought like a pixel. It was like for $1 and you could choose the color. Like a couple years later, I felt bad and I sent them all $15 because I was just like, why did you spend $1 on this stupid pixel? Yeah, but we try to do reverse grifts here at Cypher, and we try to give away money. But I meant to finish answering your question. Sorry. Go to hackathons, bolster out your resume, bolster out your GitHub, put those projects on your GitHub. And even if you don't go to hackathons, just like do projects, like do shit. Like if I'm interviewing somebody for a job, I'm like, what have you done? What have you proven to me that you can do? For developers, I think it's getting harder in like a good way where you have like a huge advantage, because now I'm like, okay, like with AI, like I know you can do it. So like prove to me that you have the gall, you have the gumption to go do stuff. Like somebody who like contributes to open source projects and who's like good at that, that's somebody I'm gonna be like, okay, like I'm interested in you, right? Because you're interested in the tech. There's so much kind of prerequisite knowledge you have to take to get there. So yeah, contribute to open source projects, do cool hackathon projects, and then if you want to get into security, the path is like super clear. The path is the clearest it's ever been. If you want to get into security, do well in competitive audits. That's it. Like I think like today, everybody in the security industry, that's how they got started. They did well in competitive audits. And then they either like, I mean, there's a lot of like serial competitor auditors who just, all they do is compete. There's a lot of contract auditors, you know, who are not part of a firm. And then there's a lot of people who want the reliable income and they joined a company after doing well on some competitive audits. So competitive audits is like the easiest path. It's not the easiest path to complete. Like it's still hard, but yeah, come do first flights. You know, practice auditing. Obviously, take the Cypher and Updraft security curriculum. Then you know, do competitive audits. The beauty of these is like you can actually make money while learning, but like approach it as like a learning thing, and then like maybe you win money too. And then if you do well enough on these, like you're gonna get picked up by a high profile audit firm. Like if you place like top 5 in any of these contests, like that's like, hey, you know, I'm legit. You know, if you place top 5 in any of these contests, security firms are gonna look in your direction for sure. Hey, appreciate it, Zaka. I'm your student. This is not working on stablecoin project without utilizing Oracle. You know, I mean, we talk about stablecoins in Updraft, right? Like you can have a stablecoin without an Oracle. You can do that. However, you need to just understand what you're what are you going to be using for collateral? Are you going to be using collateral, right? It's very difficult to have a collateralized stablecoin without an Oracle because you need a way to price that collateral. If you're going to do an Oracle free, I mean, there are stablecoins that don't have Oracles. I think like Rye is a good example of an Oracle free stablecoin, and the price of the Rye token is not pegged to the dollar, right? You can do it. You just have to be very intelligent about how you do it. Yeah, and yeah, it's definitely scary to me when I hear Oracle free stablecoin project. I must say it's really easy with Cypher. It's a complete platform. That's why I stopped procrastinating. Hell yeah! Oh, excellent. Your course is awesome. I'm in the middle of the Founder Intermediate course. It's so cool. Awesome. Great to hear that. If you get stuck, if you run into issues, please use the GitHub discussions. Work with AIs. If you see an issue, let us know. We try to keep everything on Cypher and Updraft up to date. So if you see an issue, let us know and we'll go fix it. YouTube announced in February 2022 that would allow content creators to monetize their work using non-fungible tokens. Really? I mean, I've been doing. I feel like I would have seen this. I mean, I could show you my YouTube studio. There's no way I can do anything with NFTs. I'm pulling up my YouTube studio right now. You're a YouTube partner. Here's how you can make money. Watch paid ads, blah, blah, blah. Brand Connect. Maybe it's like a Brand Connect thing, because I'm not doing any of that crap, because they're like, sell merch and shit. And I'm like, y'all don't need merch. Unless like people really want merch, but I don't really see that happening. I just make coding videos, you know. Another dead Google project, methinks. Yeah, that sounds about right. Will there be more Viper content coming to Cypher and Updraft? Hell yeah. Well, I'm also pumped. Kind of like low-key finished the main project that I want to work on, and then I got a little bit of time to work on my second project. Patrick, I have another question about the AI usage at learning phase. Do you think GitHub Copilot is good while doing advanced Foundry course? I think it's helpful to have to bounce questions off and bounce ideas off, but you should really try to use the muscle memory of like writing the stuff yourself so that you can understand the choices an AI makes later. So basically, like the coolest thing about AI when it comes to like learning is that you get instant feedback. So like if you write something, if you like write a for loop or like a function and you go, you're not sure if it's good, you can copy paste it into AI, be like, hey, here's my function that I wrote to do XYZ. Is it good? Why not? And then like learn why what you wrote is good or not. And then as you get better, as you kind of will reach a point where like writing tests, for example, like I know like exactly what my tests should be. It's just like, like before AI, it was just like, oh, it's going to take me like 2 hours to write all these freaking tests. Like this kind of sucks. Now you just go through and I just like hit tab, because, you know, if I have a function, and this is why writing readable function names is so powerful. If I have a test or if I have a function that's like transfer to vault, AI is going to be really good at reading that and be like, oh, okay, like this function should probably transfer something to the vault. I'm going to write a test that, and that it just saves so much time. So yeah, anyways, yeah, use it to bounce ideas off of. My goal is to take the entire security contract auditing course. Hell yeah. I would want to do bug bounty in future to help securing Web3. Did you do some bug bounty? No, I did more. I mean, like obviously like everyone on the Cypher team has pretty much done bug bounties. I haven't actually done bug bounties. I only did competitive audits. I was just saying this today. I would love to do more competitive audits, but it sucks. My time is so limited. You know, maybe I'll find some time to do some more competitive audits this year. So no, I haven't done bug bounties. I've done plenty of audits. I've done plenty of competitive audits, but I haven't done bug bounties myself. Yeah, at Foundry 101, I stopped using Copilot to practice myself. Yeah, awesome. Great to hear. Yep. What's your advice for student learning Solidity? Willing to take Viper course? Honestly, just pick one and go. Like you're hitting what I call the analysis paralysis wall. You're thinking about it too much. Just pick one and just shut up and go. Just if you pick Viper, great. Stick with Viper till the end. Till the end of the course. If you pick Solidity, great. Stick with Solidity till the end of the course. You are in your career, you will never stop learning. Like the more you learn, the more you realize you don't know shit. So you will never stop learning. So a lot of people are like, oh, like if I do one and not the other, like am I doomed? No, like there's a good chance you'll learn both at some point anyways. But what a lot of people really want is they want to say, hey, how can I be employable fastest, right? And the answer is just pick one and go to town. Just become amazing at that, right? There's a lot of like Viper is kind of cool because it is so niche. And there are so few people who do it that like the few people who do it and do it well, like have a job because there's so few people who do it, right? So yeah, so a lot more people know and use Solidity, but there's also fewer jobs, right? So that's something to think about. Is Viper Rust really important or Solidity is enough? If you want to be employable as quickly as possible, here's what I'm saying. Doesn't matter. Pick one and go. You'll be fine. Even if I didn't finish at the time, I tried to check the code base for Christmas dinner, and I am shocked that I found a bug. Hell yeah! Yes! Cheers. That's what we like to see. Okay. Well, I have like 5 minutes left here until I take a break. I guess I'm taking the break now. Once this break kind of time is up, we'll go to the next one. Big DR Spectre. I'm going to do some new stuff. So this is the other task that I was supposed to work on today, which I haven't worked on. VV, right? Yes. Okay. Copilot on? I do. Okay, nice. Who is my Copilot? What? What Copilot am I logged into? I don't know. I guess. I guess we'll find out. But here's the second thing I'm supposed to be doing today. Audit repo cloner. So this is a package that we made to help with doing audits. And it like clones some repos and it like sets up GitHub repos to be like we do audits like at Cypher. When we do audits, like a lot of the way we like report findings is like issues on GitHub. So when we go to make a report, we just run a script that like pulls everything out of the issues tab and just kind of generates a script or generates a report from all the issues that we found. But like the setup can take some time. So we have this script that we wrote, when we started Cypher to like help this out, and it's kind of outdated now. And so, yeah, it was one of the things I'm supposed to do this weekend is to like bring this back up to snuff. So, I'm just gonna completely rewrite it, I think, because I looked at it, I decided I hated it. Which is fine, because that's what you do sometimes. So we'll be doing a lot of... So, hey, people talking about Python. We're going to be doing some Python today. My whole life is EVM right now. I watch you all the time, man. I appreciate it, dude. Like, looking forward to you being really successful here. Bug bounties are awesome, and I would recommend them over competitive audits. IMO competitive audits are just too theoretical, and the most focus is on reporting less impactful issues. I would actually disagree with that, and the reason I would disagree with that is because I think especially when you're starting out, you're looking for little wins, and bug bounties are hard. They're hard to find wins for 100 reasons. Oftentimes, you're just fighting with the client. To prove why your bug is a bug. And I think for like newer people trying to break in, that experience is so awful that I would not recommend bug bounties first. Especially if you're like trying to learn and earn at the same time. I think you're just going to do better with competitive audits. And when you're learning, you want that feedback, and competitive audits offer that feedback because there's kind of an objective system of, hey, here are the bugs that you missed. So like, don't get me wrong. I mean, I think bug bounties are great. I think people should do bug bounties. I mean, they're an important part of anyone's security protocol, and they're a great way for people to make money. But I think having them as a starting place, I would disagree with. Jim EVM being frog audits, hell yeah. Hell yeah, exactly. I wrote my first smart contract that got audited, but I feel like I don't know much. I think Solidity Doc is the best to learn everything about Solidity language. Yeah, Solidity documentation is great. Most of the time, Copilot initiates the project in a nice manner, but the more I use, later the worse the code base I end up with. Yep, that happens. Would you like to share your experience, as we both have the same goals? Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Yeah, you guys go hang out. All right, I'm going to let this timer run out, and then I'm going to go. I'll be right back. I have 2 hours left that I can actually stream for, so I'll take a quick 10-minute break, and then I'm going to go get cracking on this over here. So I'll see you all in just about 10 minutes. Whoops. Got sidetracked there. Grabbing some snacks. All right, we're going in. Turn these lights off. They're bothering me. Okay, here's what we're supposed to be doing now. What this little thing does is you get a private link to a repo. We clone it. We put it into our own org. We set up a new org, clone it locally, and then we set up all this other stuff. So we're gonna kind of copy the moccasin like setup, and we're gonna make this like a Python script. Forgot about this. Oh shit, I gotta start the timer. There we go. Okay. Okay, do this. Then we're gonna do okay. Sorry, this is going to be kind of off to the side, and I know you won't be able to see it, but too bad. Oh, there's a different... Okay, what do I need? Vector. This is already in PyPI. Okay, so I'm not calling inspector. Move. Audit. Why don't I just do that? Let's copy all of these. Don't want this. Don't want this. Good. Just file. Keep that. Keep that. Keep that. We'll dump all these for now. Keep the docs. Okay. Was it UV add -- dev? Do you want to select? Yes, I do. Why is it called Spectre though? Oh. VVMB is sourced. And I need Tummel. Even better, Tummel. There we go. Just file looks fine. Great. Okay. And I'm going to make this a CLI, and I'm going to use argparse again because I like it better. Do I have to do anything for the entry point? Yes, I do. Project.scripts, that's what I need. So I audit, gonna be, I audit main, right? Moccasin main, I think it's like this, yeah. Sound it. We'll do version. The data. Tomolib. CLI string. Audit. CLI version. Path. From this to format on save. User settings, format, default formatter, format on paste, format on save for sure. Python, pilots, Python, formatter. Do I do this? Default formatter. Set Python formatter to rough. VS Code. Rough. Great. What's this? Don't do that. Fix. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, here we go. Settings.json. VS Code. Settings.json. Ah, nice. Good. Okay. Okay. Python audit. No. Is the entry point wrong? have to do? Oh. Duh. Oh, it's because I need to, okay. I need to do you. Build system. Add all this stuff in. It's going to be packages, audit. Yeah, let's add this in. Let's add this in. ZKsync. Audit. Aha. Okay. Knit up pie. Knit up pie. This is what we need. That's right. Great. Oh, don't need this. From audit or main. Aha. Okay. Okay. Good. Audit dash version. No package metadata was found for moccasin. I don't want. No. Attributing. Run the. Oh shit. Oh, cool. Audit CLI. Okay. Good. Okay. So what do I need? Audit repo. I gotta know how this thing works. That's not good. Let's ask Claude, what's wrong here? Can I do greater than or equal to? Forget. No. Equal to about no module name distools. Which, like Python 3.12, has removed distools. I see. Okay, well that's annoying. What is it? UV use Python 3.12. UV Python use. UV use. UV Python. Pin. Okay, UV Python pin 3.12. Okay. So now I do pip install. I just did that. UV Python. UV Python list. Lord. UV Python use. UV run Python. The heck. Claude, fix this. Oh. Okay. Now what's wrong? No, requires Python value found in workspace. Didn't I just add this? Defaulting to that. Claude. What's wrong now? What's wrong now? So annoying. Oh my god. Should I just use 311? Like, sync. Oh my god. I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. Okay, that's fine. I can't be bothered. Where is the entry point? Create audit repo. Here's the entry point. Okay. I don't use any types in here. That's so annoying. Okay. So what type is repo? Repo is try clone repo. It returns a repository. Okay. Some type organization. Do I have classes? No. Excuse me. Create repo. Oh, so we automatically create a repo. Create and clone repo. So we create a new repo. Try clone repo. Get organization. Check one that already exists. This is me. What up, Pan? What is auto repo cloner for? It helps auditors set up a repo easily for audits. The way a lot of teams do audits is they clone a repo, and they use issues for findings. And then at the end, like once you have a bunch of issues, when you get a repo, you just run like generate report, and it just like generates a report based off all the issues in the GitHub repo. We do sub processes, huh? I guess that's fine. Oops. Create and clone repo. So we create a repo and then we clone a repo and do it. Let's see how this works. Okay, so is it the first step that we take? Prompt for details. Oh, this is like interactive mode. For details, details. Commit hash. GitHub token, is this used? Oh. I already see a bunch of improvements that we should make on this to make it more secure too. Okay, let's let's have it. How do we want to split this up? I think I want it to be init. What did he say he wanted? Okay, so he wanted init to set up a repo. Report would generate the report. Contain would set up a dev container. Source, create the source. Init. Audit init. I don't like init. I like create. Yeah. Hey, all good. Study up. I can stop watching Patrick, watch another Patrick. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Do you have any thoughts on Starknet and Cairo development? I think Starknet is a very cool layer 2 doing cool stuff. Hey, have a good night. Thanks for dropping by. Yeah, I think Starknet is cool. Okay, so we're gonna do main. Do I just put everything in? Yeah, I guess I put stuff in. We're gonna do this again. I like this. Main parser, sub parsers. Generate main parser and sub parser. We're gonna copy a lot of moccasin code because I like how moccasin's set up. And my screen's gonna be kind of a cluster F, but too bad. Okay, quick fix. Create parent parser. How do I flip? Command backtick? Oh. I didn't know that. Wow. I feel like I just got so much faster. Oh my god. Wow. I freaking love that. Okay. Create create parent parser. Oh my god. Okay, debar. Okay, cool. Audit, CLI. Setup. Setup. What are the other commands he wants me to do? Clone. No. Report contain source. Setup. Manage and generate reports or smart contract audits. Great, great, great. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the. Do I have this installed? No. V headers. GitHub. What is it? Headers vi. Headers vi. Blah blah. Blah blah. Headers vi. what did I call it? V headers. V header. What? V header. UV tool. Install V header. V header. Create. Nice. Okay. Hey, appreciate it, Ree. My girlfriend says I'm not funny, so yeah, appreciate that. Tell her that's the real reason I do smart contract content. Because if people want to learn how to do smart contracts, they have to deal with my humor. So I think it's mandatory for girlfriends to say so we don't get too big. Yeah, that's true. Sleeping on couch tonight. Literally anytime somebody like comments on one of my videos that's like, wow, Patrick, you're so funny, I screenshot it and I send it to her. And then she's like, shut up. Yeah, she's like, cool, sleeping on the couch. But I have to send it to her, you know? Can't help it. Okay, so create, what's this gonna do? Sorry, you guys aren't gonna be able to read everything because I have a million screens up, and I'm sorry, too bad, I guess. Okay, so prompt. I guess if they pass, so I guess if they run create and they don't pass anything, it'll automatically do like interactive mode. Oh, well, that was helpful. Copilot. Okay, yes. Create, help create, help. Set up a new audit project. Should I call it setup? Setup parser. Audit setup. Yeah, we're gonna call setup. Set up a new. Okay, let's give it a better description. This will clone a repo and set it up in the organization that you choose. We're gonna need to have the header like config. Let's do a config one later. Why is it doing that? What the hell? Oh, I know why. There we go. Config. Well, let's stick with setup for now. Yeah, so whenever you guys, anytime a new video comes out, just be like, y'all should comment and be like, hey, wow, Patrick is so funny. He must have a really lucky girlfriend. She would get a kick out of that. I would definitely sleep on the couch for that one. Okay, so I want to add arguments. Yeah, okay, so we'll add. How do I add position? I forget how to add positional ones. Do I have to I have to do sub parsers for. Oh, that's so annoying. do subparsers. If I do, let's do add argument. Okay, yeah, please, yeah. Like, she comment. Actually, you guys have probably seen her. She comments on some of the videos as well. She usually like nothing to do with the video. Like, I'll make a video on like, oh, like, here's how you like encrypt, or here's how you decode like raw function selectors, and she'll be like, I would select to go on a date with you or something. I don't know. She puts like, she thinks she's funny. Huh? She thinks she's funny. No, she wouldn't. She wouldn't. See, what I just said was so funny. Way funnier than anything she would come up with. Nobody send her this. Nobody send her this, by the way. I need to work. I'm being distracted. Set a parser to add arguments. Repo. The URL of the repo. Source URL. Yeah, no. Source. Remote. Source repo. Let's give this source URL. Let's give this how do I do alts? I forget. Oh, you just do it like that. Okay. So path. Oh no, so this is how you do positional arguments. You just do it like that. Oh, source URL. Let's have these all be optional. Let's have these all be optional. -s. The URL of the repo. The URL of the repo that we are conducting and it's on. Type is going to be string. And args. No, no default. This should just be 1 because n-arg is number of args, right? I'm gonna ask Claude. And actually, you know what? Open chat. Let's try it. Let's try it in here so that you guys can see. Except for my face is covering the chat. Lol. Can I move the chat to the other side? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. Is my nargs here, right? And Claude is way better than ChatGPT, so for all clients, enable access to the latest Claude here. The sun won't enable. It's not gonna let me enable it because this is my dummy account. Oh shit, it enabled. Oh, cool. Oh, nice. Use the recommended. Required equals true. We don't have to make it required. Because, okay, great. Target repo name. What? The URL of the source repository to be cloned and prepared for the server. The name of the target repository to be created. Auditors. Why do you need the source URL and the target repo name? If you have the source URL, you have the freaking name, no? Stupid. We could do like a mutually exclusive. Do I want to do the source? Let's just start with source because that's going to be the easiest one. Do target repo later. Commit hash. Try clone repo. else? Get Python. Oh, this is literally get in Python. You know, we're just gonna. Hey, Patrick. Somebody else just launched their meme coin. What do you think about this? I can't. That's what I think about it. I can't. I got shit to do. I got shit to do. You don't have to retract the message. You good? Like, don't sweat it. Like, you don't gotta be embarrassed. That's fine. Let's just like, let's just flesh the rest of this out so I can like get a win on the board, because I'm hitting like analysis paralysis mode where I'm just thinking of doing too much shit now. Def main. Okay, so we do main parser, sub parser. Parsing starts. Let's just copy all this and. Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. Generate main parser, sub parsers. Yep, okay. Let's dump that for now. Actually, am I gonna need subparsers? Yeah, I am gonna need subparsers because I'm gonna need subparsers. Okay. Set log level. I think my set log level is busted in Moccasin. Well, let's just set up a logging.py anyways. Okay. Logging.get logger. Audit. Yeah, okay. From logging, set log level. Oops. Set, oh no, what's this? From audit.logging, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna get rid of the aliases for now. Command to run. This was such a cool. I probably. Where's our command? I love this setup so much. I think this is so cool. Import module? Didn't I add that? Got rid of it. Import module. Okay. Okay. So if you do audit. Create, that's right, okay. Create stuff by, nice. And in here we're gonna call, I think we just call main. .main. Yeah, def main print I. So now if I do sci audit, create. Sci audit, create. Cannot unpack non-iterable. Generate main parser. Creates tuple. Did not return anything. I didn't return anything. Return main parser subparser. Return main parser subparser. Return subparser main parser sub. Oh, that's right. Okay. Yes. Wait, invalid choice. Create from outlaw. Setup. Shit. No module named Moccasin. Oh. I still have Moccasin all over the place. Using sci audit. Moccasin. Sci audit. Sci audit. Moccasin. Don't need this whole section. Moccasin. Sci audit. Sci audit. ZKsync requirements. We don't need any of this. We don't need all those. Git, Python, UV. Don't need Anvil. Great. 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 The rest looks good. Running test. We're gonna skip these for now. Code style guides. GitHub. Workflows. Oops. Actually do want the Moccasin GitHub workflows. Type check. Can I switch the order? Yeah. GitHub/workflows. And this is called what? Yes. Moccasin. Documentation. Access. Documentation. Is this sci audit? Oh, that's it. Sorry, setup. No. I don't want to do that. No module named sci audit.commands.setup. Is that because I'm missing an init? No, it's because I called it create. Because I am big idiot man. Setup. Takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given. .main args. It's because run args. I need to do this. And that namespace is a what? That's a Yay. Okay, cool. Can I ask the most basic crypto related question ever? I am super noob with all this. Here's the beauty. You can always ask the most basic questions. So no matter what, and if somebody shames you for asking basic questions, shame on them. Don't shame them back though. Just kindly say, hey, I'm just trying to learn. Like, apologize for my ignorance. Yeah, please don't ever be afraid to ask a question. Always let it rip. Always let it rip. Okay, let's just start with the source URL because I have 5 minutes left here. Jesus Christ, all I did was set up the freaking repo. but it's set up nicely, so that's good. Set up. Okay, if they don't, so we'll do source. If they add nothing, I kind of want to add this one too. Test cloud high. I have this function. If they don't pass any parameters, can they enter interactive mode? Ooh, Claude. Claude be giving me some shit. I don't know why everyone loves this optional. I freaking hate this. Maybe I'm the idiot. I just prefer string or none. I feel like this optional thing is so bizarre. Okay. If not, has attribute. See, this is the other thing about the args that I really don't like. Run the scripts. Actually, I hate this. What the hell? Has attribute. What's your real and or not? I remember this was such a pain in the butt for me. Can I just do like... Force URL equals dot. Force URL. Is it? Okay. String. Okay. Well, zeros are or none. Should I make a function like prompt for get an interactive prompt? Sorry, I'm gonna answer your question now. If I've written my seed phrase words on paper, am I safe to remove MetaMask then and can input in on another computer and access the same wallet? Safe is a very loaded term here. I'll say this. If you have your seed phrase in a secure location and you have tested that it works when uploading someplace else, then it is okay to remove it on your computer. Yes, you just want to make sure that on your computer, you only have wallets associated with that seed phrase. Hopefully that makes sense. Basically, before you remove it from your computer, you should run what's called a disaster recovery. You should try to upload that seed phrase someplace else. This is actually just good like security hygiene anyways. Like every 6 months to a year, you run like a disaster recovery scenario where you literally pretend like, okay, my computer has exploded, my house caught on fire. Can I recover my crypto assets? And that's when you like practice, like, you know, using your seed phrase that you have written down or that you have stored away, whatever, to re-upload. That's actually a great question. Clip that. If I had an editor to clip that, I would have them clip that. Also, if I just keep it on the paper, is that a cold wallet then? And whatever is in that address is safe stuck there. So cold wallet is like kind of this super loose term. So we actually define it. Yay. How was that alarm? Was that super loud or was that okay? Was that too loud of an alarm? I think it was okay. Cypherin, blog, wallets. So, cold wallet. So we define cold wallet as literally just a wallet not connected to the internet. I think cold wallet or cold storage, there's kind of like a lot of terminology, but like, yeah, a cold storage wallet is just a wallet not connected to the internet at that time. So like, you know, I have like 1 billion wallets because I work in crypto. One, it's like a hardware wallet, like a Trezor or a Ledger or whatever. When they're not plugged in, they're cold wallets. Hypothetically, when you like plug in your hardware wallet to your computer, like kind of hypothetically, it's now a hot wallet, which is like bizarre, right? Now your MetaMask, on the other hand, is pretty much always going to be a hot wallet because anytime you turn on your computer, it's like, you know, it's a software wallet, right? So to answer your question more directly, yes. When you, where did this go? Yes, when you, your seed phrase written down on a piece of paper is hypothetically considered a cold wallet, because it's not connected to the internet, right? Like writings on a piece of paper is not connected to your internet. Yeah. You can use MetaMask to generate the seed phrase and then restore. Oh, so yep. I thought the bunch of words when I created it was the seed phrase. Yes, the bunch of words you created is the seed phrase, the secret phrase. Yes, the concern is where you're assigning transactions, as ultimately you need to either learn how to sign transactions on an offline computer and broadcast it elsewhere if you want to maintain security, or you can set a MetaMask on a new computer, do your transactions on a install MetaMask. Oh, I'm going to start using these videos for either educational purposes or bedtime relaxing time. Oh, great to know. Well, hopefully my, oh, it was super loud. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'll make it quieter. Let's run this and let's see what happens in 10 minutes. Sorry, yeah, I've made it quieter. Whoopsies. Anyways, I don't know if I answered your original question. If am I safe to remove it? So yeah, run a disaster recovery scenario where you like practice uploading it to a MetaMask. And if you keep it on the piece of paper, is that a cold wallet? I would argue yes. I think there are some people who would say no, which I think would be weird. But yeah, for my definition, where a cold wallet is just a wallet not connected to the internet, I would argue yes. That would be considered cold storage. Now, if somebody finds your wallet or finds your seed phrase, they can do whatever the hell they want with it, right? Because your seed phrase and your private key is like essentially just like a password. That's it. So yeah, thank you for that. We'll try installing it somewhere else before removing it. So yeah, so be sure, obviously whatever machine that you upload your seed phrase to is secure, right? So like, yeah, like entering it on another brand new installed MetaMask is like a good way to test it out. Because if you upload your seed phrase, you should be able to once again generate all your accounts on that new MetaMask and see all the different wallets in there. Yeah, so practice disaster recovery for sure. How much time it does typically take to complete an entire Cypherin course? If you go from blockchain basics to all the way through advanced Foundry, that takes people anywhere. Some people say they do it in a day. I say those people are full of shit. But realistically, like anywhere between a week and 6 months. And then if you want to do all the security and assembly stuff, yeah, anything between, you know, a few weeks to a couple years, you know. When it comes to learning stuff, you learn things a lot better over time. This is why when people are like learning a language, it's way, way better to, you know, maybe spend 20 minutes a day every day learning a language rather than spending 3 hours in one day learning a language, right? It's much better spread out. You can kind of go back, build your mental map, etc. So if you spend longer time on it, like hypothetically, you can get better results. But hopefully that answered your question. Question about the new Updraft certification: how you will know if someone cheat on the exam or no? Good question. So we have a bunch of tools. When you go to take it, we have a bunch of tools that will help us know. Yeah, you'll see. We have a bunch of tools that help us with cheating detection. I have a question. I took your security course up to the Thunder Loan audit. Kind of got distracted, then tried to do Chainlink's payment extraction system audit. Cool. No, the people who said they did it in one day are full of shit. Like there's no way they did it in one day. Okay, like that is insane. And they definitely didn't absorb the information. Okay, like keep in mind, like, you know, like it took me a long time to like learn all this stuff to put in the curriculum, right? Like you know, I'm no different than anybody, right? Like I would argue that I'm actually like a really average learner. I just really freaking like what I do, so I spend a lot of time doing it. Like I don't learn faster than anybody else. And yeah, I think one day is stupid. I think like if I think back to like when I was starting and I look at Cypher and Updraft, I think going from beginner all the way to like assembly and formal verification and the low level stuff, I think realistically that would have taken me a few months. Like there's no way I would have done it in a day. There's no way I would have done it in a week. I think realistically, like I would have a few months, and even then, like I probably still wouldn't have absorbed the information. I think like realistically for me, like I would have absorbed it after like 6 months. So, hey, thanks, Max. Appreciate it. When will you create the front end course? I'm working on that next. Once I finish, I got a bunch of side projects that I got to do. Like what I'm working on for this stream. I like the process of learning auditing, but only to learn how people build stuff securely. I'd rather be a customer of Cypher and Audit than another auditor. Ah, well, that's badass to hear. But at the same time, we're also launching programs to help auditors as well. But yeah, if you build something cool, yeah, definitely be sure to hit us up. Hit us up at Cypher. We would love to help you out. Make sure you're secure, for sure. But we are launching some new programs this year for security researchers, so be sure to stay tuned for those. Do you think the Updraft certification with some real projects is enough to land a job as a blockchain developer? Yes, and I think that stay tuned there as well, because we're working on some stuff to make that transition easier too, because that's kind of become difficult. So like the thing that's crazy, Hamza, the reason that that's such an interesting question is because so many protocols have been hiring like North Korean hackers, which is an issue, and we got some stuff in the pipeline to help fix that too. So what are your thoughts on freelancing for blockchain full stack development? Great. Yeah, great. Like there's a lot of protocols need a lot of things, you know. A lot of protocols need a lot of things. AI is great, and if you can utilize AI, like you can do stuff so much faster. I mean, like you just watched me code a bunch, and like I'm, you know, you didn't see it because I have like another AI window off to the side, but yeah, work with AI all the time. But yeah, you can get a lot of stuff done, like freelancing as a blockchain full stack developer for sure. So, but same thing there, like you want to go to hackathons, you want to bolster up your resume, you want to really make it so that, you know, when somebody who needs work done looks at your resume, they go, holy shit, like this person's a beast. You know what I mean? So. All right, cool. I'm actually going to be right back. I'll be back in 3 minutes, and hopefully the buzzer won't kill everybody. I was muted, sorry. Do you think Move and Cairo is a hype for auditors? Yeah, I think Move and Cairo are both pretty cool. How loud was that, by the way? Was that too loud? Spotify says hi. Hi. Was that too loud? Was it not loud? Let me know. Should I make it quieter? Have to add, I finished most of the updraft courses a couple months ago since I have uncovered one low in a competition. Yes! Yes! Excellent. That's a great starting point. Great starting. Meeting volume now. Is it, should I make it quieter? Is it still too like annoying, that beep? All is possible. Hell yeah. Quiz the Brits. Excellent. What do you think about programmers who use AI for audits and projects? It's a tool. Great. Yeah, use it. Use whatever gets you, whatever helps you get the job done. Like, I don't care. Like, use it. I don't think AI is that good at helping you get the job done, but like, if it helps you, great. You have a Persian cat? Persian cats are outstanding. The smushed faces and the heavy breathing. Guess I should give auditing another shot. Auditing just takes time. You know, it's one of those things like anybody can get good at it. It just takes time. Like, you know, yeah, like it takes time. Okay. I only have like 30 minutes left here, and then I gotta jump off. I didn't get as much done as I would have liked, but that's okay. I got to chat with you guys. I appreciate you all for leaving comments and chatting here. Yeah, glad that the content's been helpful, and excited to see you all continue to grow. So, to what extent are specifically auditors impacted during a bear market? Sorry if it's a dumb question. Your resources are so valuable. It's not a dumb question at all. Like, you'll pretty much almost never hear me say that was a dumb question. I think it's really hard to have a dumb question. Now y'all are going to try to come up with dumb questions. So in bear markets, yeah, I mean, the less experienced auditors get less work. I mean, that's just the reality. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Like, if there's only, you want to think of like how many people are reaching out for audits, and if there's like 10 people who need an audit and there's 50 auditors, well, the top 50 are going to get the job. That's just how it works. So same thing with like competitions, right? So like in January, we're seeing like a huge surge of competitions. You know what? I don't think I've set up a Solid account on or a Cypher account on my streaming user. Let me see. This email is associated with another provider. Make sure to log in. Oh, maybe I did sign up? Oh shit, I did sign up. Okay, well, I guess you guys will all get to see my streaming user. Audits. So where are we here? Yeah, there's like a massive number of like, this is like kind of insane. Part two of what? Oh, Zaros. Oh, y'all should do this one. What's up? Ignite? What is this one? Oh, that's right, Benki. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's right. Ave Diva rapper. Yep. Okay. Cool. Why did I start looking at that? What did you ask me? Yeah, like, so right now we have like an insane surge of competitive audits, which is awesome. Because we're in like a good crypto spot. There's kind of a lot of really cool crypto stuff happening, with the United States administration being, the most pro it's ever been. So I was just looking at with Solid. It's a research platform for people to learn about different hacks. Basically, like, different auditors will submit their hacks to this platform so people can, research what different types of hacks are. It was created by one of the co-founders of Cypher, Hans, who was the #1 competitive auditor on Code Farina for 2023, or for the first half, or for the second half, or something. One of the best auditors on the planet. And the way he got good at competitive auditing was he just read every single report on every single type of audit. One of the other Cypher auditors, Dacian, who is a monster, what he did was, anytime he learned about a new bug, like for example, like reentrancy, what he would do is he would go through Solid and he would just type reentrancy. So let me show you Solid. He would look up reentrancy, and maybe even high, medium, maybe even just high, and he would go through 100 or 200 of these, so that he would be able to start understanding how to detect this pattern of reentrancy. And once you go through 100 to 200 audit reports of what is a reentrancy, you start to get a pretty good understanding of how to spot it really quickly, and how it's going to show up on something. So yeah, a lot of different classes of bugs. Solid is just a phenomenal research platform to research it, because it's it has all of these bugs in it. So Now you know. Now you know. Okay, now I have like 30 minutes here. Yep. I'll answer these last couple questions, and then I got to jump back in for the last 30 minutes. And for the guys in the chat, what do you think? The AI tools. What do you think about ICP? Every time I look into them, I don't give them enough time, to be honest. I really haven't given them enough time to really have a good like understanding of what I think about them. I remember like when I initially looked at them, there was a reason I was like, oh, I'm not interested, but it could have been unfair. You know how much time I spent on them? I'm not sure. What do you think about centralized risk in competitive audit? I was thinking a developer could just write a code base, add only owner to everything, and it would still come out as invalid and could end. So it's a good question. Audits are for the protocol team, not for the community. And that's kind of what you want to think about. You know, you still want to put on audit reports like, hey, risk of centralization. And like, if you go through Cypher audit reports, like we put that on a lot of audit reports. But yeah, a lot of the times the protocol will say, hey, only owner is out of scope. You know, so. All right, cool. All right, I'm going to do the last 30 minutes here. I'm going to call it a day, because I got stuff to do tonight. What are your recommendations to swap ETH for Sol? Heard it's dangerous to go between chains. So I mean, centralized options can work, but for decentralized ones, you're gonna have to use a bridge, and that's also a centralized option. So I think Chainlink CCIP will eventually work to do that, but I'm not sure. What up, believer? Yes, sir. Always be grinding. Okay. We're gonna do this. Okay. Or none. Prompt for missing. I think we're gonna do that. Source URL, because you're gonna need the source URL for sure. Target repo name. Why is that a different parameter? Leave blank to use the source repo name. I don't understand why it's two different. Oh, because it's, okay, I get it now. Source URL. Okay, yeah, okay. Yep, okay, yeah. Target. The name of the repo that you will use. The name of the repo that you will use for this. Got it. Okay, so great. Source URL, target equals args, not target. Prompt for missing. Oh, we could just do args. Args have this namespace and have this return tuple. String. Yeah, let's do that for now. Prompt for missing. Then we're going to have a def setup. Do I even need this conditional? I guess sure. Source your target repo name is blank. Target repo name is none. I guess I could get the. Oh, I want to keep this like not shit. I want to keep this really clean. We're going to use the source repo name. Source repo command behind. Target repo name. Source repo name. Oh, because they split it up. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Let's do this. String. Oh. Do not like that. Oh, long. Whoops. Setup. Source URL string target repo. Cool. What's this? Prefix cipher report. Subtree name. Regenerator template. I don't think I need that. Auditors list. Yeah, let's add auditors in here. Auditors equals. See, like, Claude keeps wanting to do this. I really don't like that. It's like way too over the top. Wow. Wow. Oops. Why do you keep copy pasting like the whole thing? Okay. Our names. Cool. this. I should just do this. Yeah. GM. Oh, he used a prompt counter. That's cute. Back. Just want to tell you that I will take the Updraft certification next month and hope land a job. Thanks. Hey, love to hear that. Love to hear that. Really, really exciting for you. Really, really exciting for you. Take your time. Build up that portfolio. Looking forward to seeing you out there. Okay, I'm trying to do the kitchen sink here, and I really should not do that. Okay, set up source URL, target. Okay, let's just start with that. Okay, source URL dot replace dot get. Any trailing forward slashes? Claude, like, give me a cleaner way to do this. I'm sure there's cleaner. Give me a cleaner way to do this. Bro, what? I don't want a class. Thank you, though. Like your naming convention, though. What is URL parse as a it is a function? Aha. Oh. Oh. I didn't know they could do that. That's pretty cool. It's from the Python. Oh, okay, okay. From URL lib.parse import URL parse. Okay, I'm amenable to the Python standard library. Path parts. like this so far. Source name. Source username. Okay. Nice. Pass. Source URL, target repo name. Let's skip the commit hash for now. Subtree path. So now you just clone. So setup. Let's call it setup repo. Definitely want to use temp file. Temp file is dope. Temp file. Try clone repo. I guess I could just copy paste this. Details. A lot of sub-process stuff in here, huh? Whoa. Do we have a GitHub package? From GitHub, import GitHub. Oh. Oh, we are using PyGitHub. And is this active? Thanks, Pan. I feel bad. Like I'm like actually trying to get work done, and so I'm like ignoring y'all. Why do we use so much sub processes if? Okay. Ugh. Guess we're using this. UV add PyGitHub. GitHub. GitHub import GitHub. Is repository part of it too? Yeah, sure is. Okay. Huh. Wowza. Checking whether to resist. Okay, so we're doing all these git commands. Okay. Log.error. Audit. The logger. Create and clone repo. Okay, so we do a try. result. Create and clone repo. What does this one do? I don't know, because I don't have any. What the flip flop? GitHub token. Okay, so we check if our target exists. We exit. Otherwise, we do it. And what the hell is this? Accept. What are we doing here? Okay, sure, whatever. Don't feel bad. You do you. It's really just chill hanging out. All right, cool. All right, well, if you're chilling, I'm chilling. That's what's up. Make the music louder, make the music quieter, whatever y'all need to do. If you're chilling, I'm chilling. Great. Wow, look at this function. It's so long. What the hell did we do here? We do a clone with a subprocess instead of. So why do we even have the GitHub package if we're doing everything with a subprocess? I mean, okay, whatever. Globals are shit. We should refactor in the future. Yeah, we should. Wow. Okay. Logger. This is from GitHub. All right, I guess we're gonna use a lot of the same shit because I feel like refactoring a lot of this. Okay. I don't know. Whatever. We're just gonna follow the same logic and it's fine. Wow, the code here is disgusting. You know what? All right. Let's get this to work, and then I'm gonna ask Claude to refactor it because I think Claude's gonna be able to refactor this faster than I really feel like refactoring it. Wow, that's so many try catches and ugly. It's fine. Okay. Okay, so we want to do this. Tempter, try GitHub token. GitHub token organization. Whose organization is it? Organization to create. Target. It's called target organization. repo name, target organization. GitHub token. Do a prompt for that, huh? GitHub token. We could do a config file, like a syaudit.config or a syaudit.toml. That might be nicer. You just pull everything from the config. Yeah, I think we might do that. Syaudit.toml be nice for auditors. Just copy paste most of this stuff. Not the GitHub token, as that's not great to text as such. Better to store, decrypt, and decrypt. I think that's going to be the play. Why do I have 4 minutes left? I've barely done anything. All right, well, this is a good place to stop, though. To do, finish this repo and run some integration tests on it with setup and tear down. Get repos on a brand new test org. Okay. Get status. Get status dash A dash U. Yeah. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah. Commit. Minus M init. Commit. Oops. Get add period. Get status. Commit. Clear. Get remote dash. I don't think we have a remote yet. Remote dash V. I'll have to add a remote later. Get status. Cool. Okay. Got a bunch of work to do. It's doing that weird shit again. I don't have Spectre anywhere now, right? It's the workspace, it's fine. Okay. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to finish this sometime this week. So I can get on with doing some full stack curriculum, huh? Okay. Well, before we jump off, any last questions here? Thanks all for joining, doing some coding with us. Much appreciated. And for those of you who joined at the beginning, got to see who I shall be giving some money out to for those certs. Yeah, timers for Pomodoro. Yep. Yeah. It feels nice to like, sometimes I ignore it. Sometimes so I set it for 55 minutes, usually 55 minutes on, 10 minutes off. Sometimes when I'm really like in the zone, I say F it. But if I'm doing like hard stuff that is like kind of soul crushing, I really like it. Claude is better than ChatGPT for coding / audit questions. As of today, yeah, Claude I think is the best. Gemini, I don't know. Hello, Patrick. Is this the best model? preview. Maybe Gemini Advanced is the best. I don't know, but for what I've played with, Claude feels like it's the smartest. The other day I was asking it I gave it like some raw like bytes data, and it was able to like tell me the function selectors, and it was able to properly like decode the call data and like all this really cool stuff, just like without me having to like tell it how to do stuff. So I feel like Claude, you know, if I had to put money on stuff, I would say Claude for sure. So what is Deep Sea? I might have to try some of these newfangled tools y'all be talking about. Well, thanks again, y'all, for joining. And right after the stream ends, you know, for those who watched the beginning, be sure to stick around for that. All right, wait. Okay, how loud was that? Was that too loud? Was that annoying? I keep like adjusting all my sounds here. I pretty much just use only Claude. Well, thank you. Yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you all for joining. Thanks for coming through. I know this was kind of a quick stream, but yes, it was fine. Okay, cool. Well, thanks all for joining. Thanks for joining the quick stream. Hopefully you all have a great rest of your day. This is a great setup to your week. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, all.